Hey guys, welcome back to channel. How to delete audio in CapCut. So remove sound from your videos easily in this complete tutorial. So first of all, we will just have to import video right over here from your folders. And after, we will just have to hold it and drag it to this timeline. And as you can see, this is the lines of audio. And before we will just have to remove it, we will just have to show how it's play. Okay, so we will just have to remove audio from this video. We will just hold it and we will just have to go in this top audio section, just tap on it, and from the volume we will just have to 0. And as you can see, it will be just lines are removed. And let's see and play it. So we will just have to also again just have to sound back, and you will just have to also sound remove in parts. So we will just have to split, and from this part again just tap on split and just hold this split part, and from the audio we will just have to 0. And as you can see, we will just have to play. So that option is too much pretty. So in this way you will just have to delete audio in CapCut or remove sound from your videos. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.